Diagnostic Autotech, we strive to deliver exceptional service and customer satisfaction. So whether you're in the need of routine maintenance, engine diagnostics, or any other tune-up service, choose Diagnostic Autotech, your certified Mercedes-Benz diagnostic technician. Located in Springfield Park, Durban, contact Kavish on 073-233-6421. Diagnostic Autotech for expertise and service to all makes of vehicles.
Once again, my humble vanakkam, namaskarams, and a very good evening to all of you. Welcome to Phoenix FM 105.4 and the South Indian Sampradaya, brought to you every Sundays between 3 to 5 p.m. Well, the first part of this evening's program from 3 to 4 p.m, you have heard some lovely Bhakti Padal in dedication to Lord Venkateswara in celebrating of Kamika Ekadasi. And for the next half of this evening's program marks a very auspicious half as we celebrate the month of Adi Masam, a month in dedication to this Divine Mother, Mariamman. On behalf of Phoenix FM and the South Indian Sampradaya, I want to take this very grand opportunity in wishing all our listeners and viewers throughout the world a very happy and blessed Adi Masam. May this Mother Mariamman shower richest blessings upon one and all. In the duration of this evening's program, we have a lovely discourse by Guru Tamo Baladyam. He explains to us about the significance about what exactly is Adi Masam and why do we refer to the mother as Samayapuram Mariamman and what exactly happened in this village of Samayapuram. So certainly you don't want to miss that. That will be played just after my 30 minutes of non-stop music, just after 4:30. I bring to you my 30 minutes of non-stop music and I will see all of you at 4:30. In this 30 minutes, we'll be listening to the following artists. My very good friend from Mauritius, Gopalara Marude, who sings the Mariamman Thalate, followed by Anjali Francis, Bhakti Brothers of Johannesburg, and my Guru Acharya Ratna, Ise Selvamani V. Karthikesan Pillai, sings a lovely hymn that is titled Solladi Abhirami. Abhiran Mudli sings another evergreen favorite, Urukodi Padal, and the famous Lakshmi entertainers, my aunt Leelu Pillai sings Kale Magal Taye, and followed by the great Kumari Ambige sings conclude the 30 minutes of non-stop music with Amma Taye. I will see all of you at 4:30.
Hi, this is Dr. Ranjini Vasuki from Bengaluru and you are listening to Sage on South Indian Sampradaya.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
அப்போது அப்பல் பத்திரவண்டு மாரியம்மன் துதி ஞாகரவண்டு மாயே மாகம்மாயி மணிமந்திரே சேகரியே ஆயே உமை யானவளே ஆதிசிவன் தேவியரே மாரே தாய் வல்லவியே மகராசி காருமம்மா மாயன் சாகோதரியே மாரிமுத்தே வாருமம்மா மறைநானார் கங்கையம்மா நல்லா முத்து மாறியரே நல்லா முத்து மாறியரே நாக கண்ணி தாயாரே காரகம் பிறந்ததம்மா கண்ணானும் மேடையிலே மாயே மாகமாயே மண்மந்திரே ஜெகரியே.
வணக்கம் எல்லாருக்கும். நான் சூப்பர் சிங்கர் எர்வின் விக்டோரியா பேசுறேன். நீங்க கேட்டுட்டு இருக்கிறது சவுத் இந்தியன் சம்பிரதாயா.
Parvati, Ayana, Lord, Kava, Ayana, Lord, Kava, WhatsApp Phoenix FM on 067 382 2623.
Jaya Jaya Bala Sa जय श्रीदेवी जय जय जयन्ती मङ्गलकारि जय जय श्रीदेवी जय जय गङ्गरि गौरि कृपाकरि दुःखनिवारणि कामाक्षि ॐ शक्ति 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 ॐ शक्ति
This is Carnatic singer Vivek Sadashivam from Chennai, and you're listening to Sage on South Indian Sampradaya.
Maniye, maniyin oliye, olirum anipunaildu vaniye, aniyum anikkalage. அணுகாதவர்க்கு பிணியே பிணிக்கு மருந்தே அமரப் பெரும் விருந்தே பணியேன் ஒருவரை நின் பத்மபாதம் பனித்த பின்னே சொல்லடி அபிராமி சொல்லடி அபிராமி வானில் சுடர் வருமோ எனக்கு இடர் வருமோ பதில் சொல்லடி அபிராமி நில்லடி முன்னாலே நில்லடி முன்னாலே முழு இளவிலை காட்டு உன் கண்ணாலே நில்லடி முன்னாலே முழு இளவிலை காட்டு உன் கண்ணாலே சொல்லடி அபிராமி.
Hi, I'm Vanida from Mauritius and I listen to Sage on the South Indian Sampradaya.
பல்வுயிரும் படைத்த பரவனுக்கே சக்தி படைத்ததெல்லாம் உந்தன் செயலல்லவோ பல்வுயிரும் படைத்த பரவனுக்கே சக்தி படைத்ததெல்லாம் உந்தன் செயலல்லவோ நீ சொல்லுகெல்லாம் சிறந்து சொல்லலவோ நீ சொல்லுகெல்லாம் சிறந்து சொல்லலவோ இந்த சோதனை எனக்கல்ல உனக்கல்லவோ இந்த சோதனை எனக்கல்ல உனக்கல்லவோ வாராயோ ஒரு பதில் கூறாயோ நிலவன வாராயோ அருள்மழை தராயோ வாராயோ ஒரு பதில் கூறாயோ நிலவன வாராயோ அருள்மழை தராயோ வானும் இடிபடவும் பூமி கொடிபடவும் நடுவினில் காடும்படி வழகே வானும் இடிபடவும் பூமி கொடிபடவும் நடுவினில் காடும்படி வழகே கொடிகநாட முடிகநாட கொடிபடையடும் நாட வரும் கலையழகே கொடிகநாட முடிகநாட கொடிபடு இங்கையும் என்றாடு இது சங்கதமென்று சிலும்பு குழுங்கொடு கண்ணை கலங்காட இது குங்கை கொடும் பகை வென்று நடந்து குழந்தை குழைந்தாட மலர் பங்கயமே உனை பாடிய புண்ணை முனில முயழ்ந்தாட விரைந்து வாராயோ எழுந்து வாராயோ கணிந்து வாராயோ
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Phoenix FM 105.4. It's what we play.
நாவினில்
listener. Hayam Haya Gopala Marude. I am from Réunion Island, and you are listening to Sage on the South India Sampradaya.
Make a sound judgment with Razak Sound. For quality sound, video, lighting and stage decor, contact Razak Sound. No jobs too small or too big. We do it all. Call Solly on 084-363-7862 or Zainul on 084-661-7862. Razak Sound. Quality you can't refuse. Powered by Phoenix FM.
గౌరవెల్లి ఉన్నైనా నా పెద్దలకు మదవారికి ఆదవారికి స్నేహితులకు నా ప్రేమ నమస్కారము. Vanakkam and a very good evening to all of you, to all those that have joined in. I want to welcome you to this lovely program in dedication to this Divine Mother Mariamman. As we have commenced with the month of Adi, and I know many organizations today have done prayer, and many households from next week onwards will be doing this prayer in dedication to this Mother Mariamman. On behalf of Phoenix FM, I want to take this very grand opportunity in wishing you everything of the best. May this Divine Mother shower you with nothing but the best wishes in life.
Namaskaram. I am Professor Raju from Kerala. I am living in Reunion Island. You are listening to Sage on South Indian Sampradaya.
At this point in my program, a few people that celebrating their birthdays today, and such a divine day in celebrating this lovely birthday of yours. And I want to take this opportunity in wishing Sally in Naidu, Sandy Governor of Darnell, Brahmacharani Kritida Chaitanya of the Chinmaya Mission, Perusha Padiachi, Kupama Muttumanikam, Nanda Gopalan, Pillai, Kiara Lee Deram, a very happy and blessed birthday. And also a special thank you goes out to Brahmacharani Kritida Chaitanya for always being in my assistance. You know, when I send a message to deliver a discourse on anything, whether it's Ekadasi or Navaratri or anything in that sort, you know, there is no hesitation. You know, within like couple of minutes, I will get a recording stating, you know, this is my recording, and you're more than welcome to play it on radio. So on behalf of Phoenix FM, I want to take this very grand opportunity in wishing you a very happy birthday, celebrating your birthday today on the Ekadasi, and also in the month of Adi is a great blessing. May this Divine Mother Mariamman shower you with nothing but the best wishes in life.
Let's go. This is your radio. Your station.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
பிள்ளைகள் போலே சொல்லுங்கள் உறவு என்ற வானத்திலே நாம் பறவையாகலா
నమస్కారం అండి. నా పేరు బాలకృష్ణ అప్పడు. నేను మారిషస్ తెలుగు మహాసభ అర్చకుని. మీరు సేజ్ ద్వారా సౌత్ ఇండియన్ సంప్రదాయ అనే కార్యక్రమం వింటున్నారు.
பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு வாழ்க்க சீரோடும் நானும் வாழ்க்க பல்லாண்டு பல்லாண்டு வாழ்க்க. Very happy and blessed birthday to all of you. In the voice of the great Kumari Ambige.
அம்மா தாயே ஆதரிப்பாயே ஆண்டவரே
Make a sound judgment with Razak Sound. For quality sound, video, lighting and stage decor, contact Razak Sound. No jobs too small or too big. We do it all. Call Solly on 084 363 7862 or Zainul on 084 661 7862. Razak Sound. Quality you can't refuse. Powered by Phoenix FM.
And that was in the voice of Kumari Ambige, Amma Tai. We will now listen to a lovely discourse that was presented to me by Guru Tamo Valadium, and he gives an insight to what exactly is Mariamman worship. We call the mother by different names, Samayapuram Mariamman, and he also speaks about the essence behind this prayer and what exactly happened in the village of Samayapuram, in the voice of Guru Tamo Valadium.
வணக்கம். ஆகாய விமான பினிக்ஸ் FM 105.4 அதன் நேயர்களுக்கு இன்னும் சவுத் இந்தியன் சம்பிரதாய
Mariamman,
அவர்களுக்கும்
radiance, beauty, energy, power, savior, protector, provider, divine, fertility, one who grants wealth and knowledge, cure of ailments, and the list goes on and on and on. Who is Mariamman? Where did Mariamman worship originate? How does one worship Mariamman? What is our connection with Mariamman? How does one communicate with Mariamman? In order for us to find answers to these proposed questions, one needs to delve deeply into the text of Indo-philosophy to come up with appropriate answers. According to the Vedas, Hindus pay homage and believe in the concept of one God, whom they refer to as Parabrahman, meaning this big ball of energy or the supreme soul. This supreme soul is said to have no size, no shape, no form, no name, and no gender. This supreme being, having created this universe, found it necessary to sustain, maintain, provide for, and protect this universe. The general perception is that man is supposed to be God's highest form of creation. And ever since the beginning of time, man had this yearning to make communication or contact with its creator. Man found it very difficult trying to communicate with something that was not tangible. Therefore, God, having witnessed the dilemma that man has found himself in, revealed himself in various forms to us, merely for communication purposes. If one could only understand and grasp this concept, ignorance in its gross state will disappear and make way for sublime knowledge in its purest and highest form. Who is Mariamman? Mariamman is a manifestation of the supreme energy that we are talking about. From time immemorial, whenever there was a need for God's intervention in worldly affairs, God has manifested himself in what we refer to as is or Tiruvalayadal or sportive play. Mariamman is popularly worshipped in the southern states of India as Gramadevi or the village goddess. Mari means rain and Amman means mother, commonly referred to as the rain goddess, ensuring that the correct levels of rainfalls are distributed to ensure fertility of the soil and eradication of diseases. Origination of Mariamman worship. In a bygone era, complete villages were wiped out due to the smallpox epidemic. A village by the name of Samayapuram on the outskirts of the Tiruchi metropolis was one such village that was severely affected. First of all, droughts prevailed for a long period of time. There was no rainfall, which resulted in the smallpox and measles epidemic that had reached outrageous proportions. People prayed to God for relief. Out of the blue, there appeared a lady draped in a yellow sari. She directed the infected people to consume fermented porridge and administered the concoction of syringa leaves and turmeric to heal the pox epidemic that had affected people. After the disease had subsided, people began to wonder as to whom this person was that had brought relief to them. They eventually found her sitting under a syringa tree. When she was approached and questioned as to whom she was, she instructed the people to look at her head. The gathering of people were amazed to find 1,000 eyes on her head. In Tamil, we refer to this as Ayiram Kannudayal. Only then did she reveal that she was the great Shakti and the governess of the universe, and advised people to perform what we refer to as the Amman Puja. From that time onwards, she was regarded as the deity that would cure heat-based disease such as smallpox, chickenpox, measles, mumps, and rashes. How does one worship Mariamman? Worship to Mariamman is done at two levels, the first being a sacrificial puja, and the second being what is commonly known as the Suddha Puja, or totally vegetarian. The structural mode of worship may vary from family to family or from village to village in accordance to past traditions and culture, but the ideology is similar. To host the prayer inside or outside of the house, or at a temple, or even in the felt, is one's personal decision. But the most important thing is the devotion that one attaches to the Divine Mother. Some of the offerings that are made during the prayer: fermented porridge. It is commonly known fact that measles and the smallpox virus starts from within the vital internal organs of the human body. It has been established that there are certain good bacteria that is to be found in fermented milli meal porridge, which is essential for the control of the viral growth. Thus the use of porridge. 7 kinds of beans. God, as the sustainer of the universe, has to have his checks and balances in order to ensure that the world does not crumble under the weight of overpopulation. Therefore, from time to time, there is need for disasters and epidemics to take place at God's beck and call. Mariamman, inasmuch as we turn to her for relief in difficult times, is the origin of the pox epidemic. The 7 kinds of beans is the personification of the 7 kinds of pox and each related disease that she possesses in her arsenal. The act of offering these 7 beans acknowledges our awareness of God's ability of rewarding or punishing, thus moving us towards a more disciplined way of life. Garagam. The mother's garagam is referred to as the crown of the mother. The act of offering our bowed heads to the base or feet of the crown is a sign of total surrender and devotion to the Divine Mother. Thus, carrying the gargam of the Divine Mother on one's head is said to be a sacrifice to this divine being. Manjal, syringa leaves and murangi leaves. The medicinal values of these items has had the scientific and medical world baffled with regards to its healing properties, both for internal and external diseases. It is said that the mother directed the human race to consume and apply these items to curb viral infection. Madurai Veeran was a great and very staunch Bhakta of Goddess Mariamman. He was indeed the perfect example of what bhakti and devotion should be. He spread the belief of what Mariamman was all about. The mother has given him the benediction that whenever a prayer is conducted for her benefit, a prayer of homage and respect is offered to Madurai Veeran first before her prayer commences. Our connection and contact with the Supreme Mother, connection is done both at a spiritual and material level. To appease the needs of our material bodies, a certain level of ritualism is required to satisfy its wants. But more importantly, it is the soul occupying our material body that needs spiritual advancements. Our Puranas have decreed that in this age of Kali Yugam, paying obeisance to God in the form of bhakti worship or God realization is highly recommended. It is indeed with this in mind that the CD has been compiled and presented, commencing with a prayer called Mariamman Padal, followed by songs with simple words to chant and coupled with popular bhajan tunes. I am sure will take you through an unforgettable spiritual journey. Om Agilanda Kori Brahmanda Nayagi, Om Agilanda Iswari, Om Adi Parasati, Pada Namaste Namaha.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
Thank you and Dhanyavadamo to Guru Tamo Valadium for that lovely insight on Mariamman worship. And I think, it's always good to know the meaning behind doing things instead of just doing it, because our forefathers had said so. Speaking about smallpox, chicken pox, and it just came to my mind now about a small story that I would like to share with you. It's from a film that is titled Adi Parasati, and I think my next hymn, sung by the Kalistana Place of Arts, that is titled Ayi Magamai. I just want to share a small story to you. So this comes from a small scene in the film for those that have watched it. And it was, someone that didn't believe in this Mother Mariamman. So he walked into this temple and he witnessed that, there's so much of people that's spinning and there's drums and so forth, and he says to his, other friends, just look at this, And as he walks into the temple, he walks inside the temple with the shoes. And, the priest that is there had said to him, don't do that, because it's against, our religion. And he decided that, he'll walk in. And the priest said to him, if I had to wipe, the mother, automatically you will lose your eyesight and you will see the power of this Mother Mariamman. Anyways, he decided that, yes, he wants to walk in the temple, and he walked inside, with the shoes. And the priest got so angry where he decided that, he wants to show this person, what power this Mother Mariamman has. And he decided to wipe this mother's face, wipe her eyes. And within a couple of seconds, this person has lost his eyesight. On his hands, on his face, he ended up getting measles, or as we call it, chicken pox. So the mother herself had come and, told him, come, I want to show you who I am. And the mother sings the song, Ayi Magamai, with all different forms. And he goes home and he says to his wife, and they are Roman Catholics. And he goes home and he says to his wife, I met a mother called Mariamman. And his wife, is wondering, what is this man actually talking about? We don't know who is Mariamman. And he's trying to think of the different names that's been said in the song. And then he realized that God alone comes in different forms. And one of the forms that God actually came down in as Mother Mary also. She has many names. We only know her as Mariamman. There's others also. So I want to play this lovely hymn for you. I think we just have about 10 minutes till we bring this program to a conclusion. Sung in the voice of the Kalistana Place of Arts.
నమస్కారమండి. నా పేరు బాలకృష్ణ అప్పడు. నేను మారిషస్ తెలుగు మహాసభ అర్చకుని. మీరు సేజ్ ద్వారా సౌత్ ఇండియన్ సంప్రదాయ అనే కార్యక్రమం వింటున్నారు.
ஆயிரம் கண்ணுடையாள் நீலி திரிசூலி நீங்காத சமயபுரத்தாளே சாராணி வாசகியே சமயபுரத்து விட்டு அம்மா. மாயே மகமாயே மணி மந்திர சேகரியே எங்கள் ஆயி உமையானவளே யாத்தாயன் மாரிமுத்தே. மாயே மகமாயே மணி மந்திர சேகரியே எங்கள் ஆயி உமையானவளே யாத்தாயன் மாரிமுத்தே. சிறப்பு பிறந்ததம்மா சிவலிங்க சாலையிலே பிறப்பு பிறந்ததம்மா பிச்சாடு சந்நிதியில் உனக்கே பிறந்ததம்மா உத்ராட்ச பூமியிலே பாம்பே பிறந்ததம்மா பளிங்குமா மண்டபத்தில். மாயே மகமாயே மணி மந்திர சேகரியே எங்கள் ஆயி உமையானவளே ஆதாயன் மாரிமுத்தே. பரிகாரம் செய்தவளே படிப்படிக்கு வைத்திடுவேன். பரிகாரம் கேட்டுவிட்டால் பக்கத்திலே நீ இருப்பேன். நீ நாட்டு பிள்ளையிடம் நீ போட்டு முத்திரையை நீ பார்த்து மாற்றி வச்சா நான் பார்த்து பூஜை செய்வேன். மாயே மகமாயே மணி மந்திர சேகரியே எங்கள் ஆயி உமையானவளே ஆதாயன் மாரிமுத்தே. குழந்தை வருந்துவது கோவிலுக்கு கேட்கலையோ மைந்தன் வருதுவது மாளிகைக்கு கேட்கலையோ. ஏழை குழந்தை அம்மா இருத்தோர்க்கு பாலன் அம்மா உன் தாலி பணிந்து விட்டால் தயவுடனே காரும் அம்மா. கட்டி போல் வேப்பிள்ளையா காளியம்மன் மருதவமா. ஈட்டி போல் வேப்பிள்ளையா ஈஸ்வரியன் அருமருந்தா. வேப்பிள்ளையில் உள்ளிருக்கும் எந்த கனி யார் அறிவார். ஆயா மனமிருந்து என் தாத்தா மனமிருந்து அன்னையே நீ இருந்து என் அம்மையே நீ இருந்து.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
As we have come to the conclusion of this evening's program, I want to take this opportunity in thanking all of you in joining me and showing me your love and your support always. A special thank you goes out to Guru Vugaru Kisan Biari for that lovely discourse on Amika Ekadasi, and also Guru Tamo Voladium for that lovely discourse on the worshipping of Mother Mariamman. Don't forget to catch my program this coming Sunday between 3 to 5 p.m. as I present to you a Adimasam program. It's an entire month in dedication to this Divine Mother. So every week we'll be listening to different artists, and I have started from A and we have gone all the way to K, and certainly there's more artists that's going to be featured on our programs in future. A lovely discourse also next week by Dr. Roshni Govender from the Stonebridge Mariamman Temple of Phoenix. Once again, thank you and Dhanyavadamu to all those that will be observing this lovely Amman prayer. I want to take this opportunity in wishing you everything of the best, and may Mother Mariamman shower richest blessings upon you always. We will now conclude with the lovely Mangalam sung by Guru Tamo Voladium. Once again, I am officially signing off. Thank you and Dhanyavadamu.
Hi, this is Dr. Ranjini Vasuki from Bengaluru, and you are listening to Sage on South Indian Sampradaya.
काठी करू महाती ती उवे काठी करू
சந்திர பதனி வரும் தந்தருள் கருமாரி சந்திரி நாயகி காரணி சந்தரி நாயகி காரணி தாயே தமிழை மகக்காரி தாயே தமிழை மகக்காரி சுந்தரி ஜனனி நீகம் பன்னருள் கருமாரி காரி மங்கள சுகமாரி மங்கள சுகுமாரி வதங்கி மகமாகி தாயே பூங்கிடம் பூமாரி தாயே பூங்கிடம் பூமாரி பங்கயவதனி நீயே பங்கயவதனி நீயே என்று தந்தருள் மகமாகி தந்தருள் மகமாகி கற்பக ரேஷமே கமலாம்பிகை ஏ மஞ்சள் வதனி தாயே மஞ்சள் வதனி சுகம் தந்தருள் அம்பிகை பிரகடம் தீர்ப்பவள் சுகம் தந்தருள் அம்பிகை சங்கடம் தீர்ப்பவள் தாயே சிவர் ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சிவர் ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் சக்தி ஓம் வேற்காட்டி கருமாரி திருவேற்காட்டி கருமாரி ஆட்புதூரணி பூரணி பொற்பதம் பூமாத்த நந்தி கத்திரபதனி வரும் தந்தருள் கருமாரி.
Breaking news. The Phoenix FM radio station is in partnership with the largest community newspaper on the North Coast. The North Coast Rising Sun is the voice and heartbeat of the North Coast and its surrounding areas, providing quality advertising, exceptional editorial content, high-quality printing, and the most efficient distribution service week after week. We are the largest community newspaper coming right to your doorstep. Reader or advertiser, make the switch. It will add value to you and your business. It's the right thing to do. Call us on 031 507 7761 or WhatsApp us on 060 9915 731.
Let's go. This is your radio. Your station.
Phoenix FM 105.4.
I am Professor Raju from Kerala. I am living in Reunion Island. You are listening to Sage